Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can cancel your Spotify Premium subscription. So it doesn't matter if you're on a mobile phone or a computer, you just need to head over to an internet browser. Now, you won't be able to do this from the Spotify application, so you need to make sure you head over to an internet browser. And then in the address bar at the top, we're just going to type in spotify.com and hit enter. Once you're on the Spotify homepage, we need to head over to login in the top right hand side. And then from here, you just need to log in with your Spotify account. Once you've logged into your account, head over to your profile icon in the top right hand side, come down to account. So right at the top here, you can see my current plan. So I'm currently paying for Premium Individual. So to go ahead and cancel this, we just need to click on this plan at the top here. This will take us to the subscription page, and we just want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and select change plan. And then from here, we're just going to scroll all the way down past all of these different plans. And then you'll see this option right at the bottom for Spotify free. Now, to cancel your plan, all you need to do is go ahead and select cancel plan down here. Then this will just give you a little bit more information about changing over to the free plan. Select the button continue to cancel. And then lastly, we can just press yes, cancel. And that would have now successfully canceled your subscription. You'll still have access to all of the features up until your ending date of your plan. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you end a Spotify subscription. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.